Did you know that 3 out of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no working smoke alarms? Or that a fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds in the United States? Smoke alarms provide early warnings in the event of an emergency inside the home. The First Alert Hardwired Photoelectric Smoke Alarm with battery backup uses its photoelectric sensor to help detect slow smoldering fires, such as those caused by unextinguished cigarettes. This alarm comes equipped with OptiPath 360 technology, which enhances the alarm's detection ability by providing the sensor with 360 degrees of access to the layer of air around the ceiling. This allows the sensor to detect smoke, combustion particles, volatile components, and other fire signatures in the surrounding air more easily. This hardwired alarm comes with a battery backup powered by a 9-volt battery, so you're never left without protection, while the included wire harness makes installation simple. The battery compartment is located on the side for quick battery replacement without the need to remove the alarm to replace. The included universal mounting bracket takes the hassle out of installation and covers up drywall cutouts, while the tamper-resistant locking pins help to keep the alarm secure. On the front, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. So where should I be installing a smoke alarm? Smoke alarms should be installed on every level of your home, including the basement, and in every bedroom. The #1 cause for disabling smoke alarms is due to nuisance alarms. It is recommended to place smoke alarms at least 20 feet from appliances such as furnaces and ovens, as these produce combustion particles. It is best to place the smoke alarm on the ceiling as close to the center of the room as possible, and minimally 4 inches away from any corners, as these are dead air spaces. If you're placing it on a sidewall, this is also acceptable. Keep the 4-inch minimum distance from the corner where the wall meets the ceiling, but also keep it within a 12-inch maximum from the ceiling. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.